Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best chicken water cups is probably one of the most important yet overlooked aspects of raising healthy and productive chickens. Finding the right one can significantly impact your flock's health, happiness, and egg-laying capabilities. This video will dive into the top chicken watering cups on the market, comparing features, durability, ease of cleaning, and overall value to help you make an informed decision for your feathered friends. Number 5. Chicken Water Cup Kit. This kit makes providing fresh water to your poultry effortless. It's a simple, yet effective solution for keeping your birds hydrated. Transform any container into a custom waterer in minutes using a 9mm drill bit. It's that simple. They automatically refill with fresh water as your animals drink, ensuring a constant supply. No more constantly refilling. It's suitable for indoor and outdoor use, providing fresh water anywhere. The removable inserts make cleaning a breeze. It stays 3/4 full to prevent spills, saving you time and mess. They're compatible with any type of container or watering system. You get 7 cups with inserts, elbows, silicone washers, wing nuts, and instructions. Everything you need to get started. Give your flock the gift of fresh, clean water with this innovative kit. Enjoy peace of mind knowing your birds are well cared for. What we like? It's a DIY kit, so you can customize your poultry watering system. This makes it incredibly versatile for various setups and animal types. If you enjoy crafting and want a customizable solution, this is perfect for you. What people say? The water stays much cleaner. These cups save on cleaning and frequent watering. Very well made, an extra cup was enclosed with my order, super easy to install, and the cup works great for my chickens. Number 4. Clucker Automatic Chicken Waterer. It's built to last. These sturdy cups ensure a constant water supply for your birds. They're compatible with any coop or enclosure. Perfect for chickens, ducks, geese, and even rabbits. The large size is comfortable for all your animals to use. Setup is a snap. Just drill a few holes in your container, and you're ready to go. It's perfect for beginners and experts alike. Spend less time refilling and more time with your flock. It provides a consistent water supply, reducing the need for constant checks. Highly rated for its design and ease of use. It keeps your flock happy and hydrated without frequent maintenance. A reliable upgrade to your current system. What we like? These cups are built to last, ensuring a consistent water supply for your flock. The large opening is perfect for various poultry breeds. If you need a reliable and durable solution, this is the one for you. What people say? The cups are almost 3 inches in diameter, allowing my chickens to dip their wattles and ducks to submerge their beaks easily. They hold a bountiful supply of water, way more than other cups, and no silly middle thingy the chickens have to push to get it. Much easier to clean than the ones with center thingies too. Installation was easy, although I strongly suggest drilling pilot holes and stepping up in size to make for a cleaner hole. The wing nuts provided makes for a very secure and watertight fit of the cup to your bucket, and although both me and the turkeys have bumped into the cups, there hasn't been any damage to their function or any leaking. Number 3. LANARP Chicken Water Cups. These innovative cups provide a cleaner, healthier way to keep your poultry hydrated. Say goodbye to messy troughs and hello to happy, healthy birds. The cups are designed to stay cleaner than traditional troughs, making maintenance a breeze. Simply rinse them with water for a quick clean. It's built tough. The reinforced design and minimal moving parts prevent cracks and leaks, even with enthusiastic pecking. Setting up your automatic watering system is a snap. Just use the included bit, insert the cups, tighten, and fill with water. Enjoy more free time. It automatically refills, requiring minimal maintenance. Your birds will learn to use it quickly and stay hydrated. We stand behind our product. If you're not completely satisfied, contact us, and we'll make it right. What we like? The design keeps the water cleaner than traditional troughs, and it's very easy to clean. The sturdy construction prevents leaks and damage from active chickens. If you prioritize hygiene and durability, this is a great choice. What people say? Good quality works well. Was gone for a week and they did fabulous. Really liked that these came with the correct size bit for drilling. So easy to drill into whatever you have to adapt for watering chickens. Stays clean, does not pick up a lot of debris. Number 2. Chicken Water Cup 6 PCS Kit. Say goodbye to constantly refilling water troughs. These gravity-fed cups automatically refill, keeping your poultry hydrated and happy. It's suitable for chickens, ducks, geese, turkeys, quail, and even rabbits. The 2.4-inch cups are perfectly sized for easy access. Setting it up is a breeze. The kit includes everything you need except a bucket and drill. You'll have a DIY watering system ready in minutes. Each cup features a rubber washer to prevent leaks. Just tighten the screw, check for leaks, and you're all set. Fill the bucket once, and it automatically supplies water to your birds. This saves you time and reduces water waste. These cups provide a consistent supply of fresh, clean water, promoting the health and well-being of your flock. What we like? These cups automatically refill, providing a constant supply of fresh water. The design prevents leaks, saving you time and water. If you value convenience and efficiency, this is ideal for you. What people say? These are working great. When they encounter a bump in the road, like the bucket we have them attached to gets bonked or something when we move it, they might fail. However, they're super cheap. And we bought them knowing that we could replace them. We have a flock of 6 and have 2 attached in a 5-gallon bucket. Well worth it. Very easy to install. Came with a drill bit to drill the holes. They prevent the chickens from messing up their water. Glad I bought this product. Comes with drill bit to pre-drill holes. I used a 5-gallon bucket and PVC pipe so the hens have water. The cups can be easy to assemble. Quality is good as well. The cups will get dirt in them, but they're very easy to clean out. You can flip the cups and rinse them out if you need to clean them. They seal good to no leaking from the assembly. Number 1. RentACoop Anti-Dirt Cup Covers. Say goodbye to dirty chicken water. These innovative covers keep dirt and debris out, ensuring fresh water every day. The unique cone shape prevents your chickens from splashing or knocking over their water cups. It's a simple solution for a common problem. It keeps water clean and protects it from harsh weather. This means less wasted water and happier, healthier chickens. These covers are perfect for indoor or outdoor use. They're easy to install and remove, making them incredibly convenient. They work seamlessly with our autofill plastic and metal cups and all our waterers. It's a perfect complement to your existing RentACoop setup. Each package includes 6 anti-dirt cup covers and easy-to-follow instructions. Get yours today. What we like? These covers prevent your animals from contaminating the water and keep it clean. They are durable and suitable for various environments. If you want to keep your chickens' water clean and protected from the elements, this is a must-have. What people say? The tops install very easily and fit snugly onto the cups. They have been installed for 2 days now and absolutely no filth in the water. They help keep the cups very clean and also protect them from rambunctious chickens. They also fit others' cups. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.